Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Came home from work making some oxtail. I have some leftover rice and peas, and now we're gonna go ahead and season the oxtail. So I have the Maggie chicken, Maggie all-purpose, Easispice meat, and then we're gonna add our natural veg over here. Okay, so we're gonna add the thyme. I'm just trying carefully shake it off. And we're gonna add some bonnet. Look at it. I don't want my oxtail too dark. Now we're going to mix it up. Okay, so today we're gonna use the pressure cooker because, like I said, came from work. We have some leftover rice and peas from Sunday. Today is Tuesday, and the goat is finished, so we're making some oxtail to go with the rice and peas. I'm gonna use the pressure cooker because I'm tired. I don't have much time. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the oxtail to the pot. Here we have all the oxtail. Okay, so the oxtail has been specking for about 5 minutes now, and I rinsed out a little bit of seasoning and browning from the pan, and I'm gonna pour it in, let that cook for about 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the pressure cooker cover. Okay, so I added some water to the pot. I'm gonna wait on it to boil up, and then I'm gonna add the pressure cooker cover and let it cook for about 35-40 minutes. Okay, so now that it's boiling, I'm gonna add the pressure cooker cover. Come on, okay. Flame over here. Babe, you can hold the camera, please. Alright, so we're gonna let that pressure for 35 to 40 minutes. Turn it down a bit. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes. And we're gonna put it in the sink under running water and let the pot cool down. Okay, so here we have the running water, and we're gonna cool down the pot. So we can check to see if the oxtail is cooked and add the remaining ingredients. Okay, so the oxtail is cooked. I'm gonna put it back on the stove and let the gravy go down, and we're gonna add the butter bean and the sweet pepper and stuff and taste to see if it needs more seasoning. Okay, so as I can see, I don't have broad bean, it's butter bean. So it was just now I realized that I don't have any broad beans. I'm gonna work with what I have, but usually we use broad bean in oxtails. So here the oxtail is boiling up. We're gonna add the remaining ingredients. Don't want to mix it up too much. And we're gonna taste it and see if it needs more seasoning. And then we're gonna let the gravy go down. So I just taste the pot and it could take a little bit more seasoning, so I add a little bit more Maggie, all purpose, and a little bit more Maggie chicken. So now we're gonna let it boil up and let the gravy go down a bit. Okay, so here I am saying I'm gonna make oxtail for dinner. Never remember I don't have any broad beans. I ended up putting butter beans. I put fun and joke aside. The bean boil out. So the bean turn gravy. Okay, so everyone, so the oxtail is ready. So now go ahead and eat dinner. It's like 9 o'clock. We're eating dinner late today. So thanks again for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful night. Bye.